What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today I have a glass screen protector for the Samsung Gear S3 Frontier. I haven't seen too many videos on people using screen protectors on these, so I wanted to make sure I protected the screen on mine. If it's anything like the Samsung Galaxy S9 or S8 glass, it scratches very easily, so I wanted to make sure that I put some type of protection on it. So I got this one right here. It's Kimilar. It's $6.99 for a 3-pack on Amazon, free 2-day shipping, Prime. So it was a pretty good deal, no brainer for me. So let's see how well it works. It had good reviews, so let's get into it. So for this, you're just getting the regular, cardboard box. I don't even think it probably comes with a, microfiber towel or anything like that. It's probably just to protect this, but we'll find out. Nope, it actually does. It comes with like a little kit. You get 3 of them. Whoop, glass just fell out of that one. So you have a little suction cup right here to put it on with, I believe. So let's see the installation project right here, the steps. This is shot on the Samsung Galaxy S9. My batteries were dead on my Canon camera, so I shot it on the S9. So let me know what you guys think of the quality. This is the internal microphones, which normally record pretty good. So anyways, let's get into the installation. It says clean your device's screen thoroughly. No dust or lint is present. Begin cleaning by using the wet alcohol wipes. Then use a suction cup to stick the middle of the screen protector. Peel the clear sheet off, revealing the adhesive side of the glass. Make sure not to touch the adhesive side of the screen protector. Align the bottom of the glass with the device and lay it down gently. Make sure the screen protector is aligned properly before continuing. And then press the center of the glass. Slide your finger along the center of your device, and the adhesive will spread out evenly. It's supposed to say out, it says R. And ensure that the adhesive adheres completely. If any bubbles remain, use your finger to push them to the edges. Small bubbles should disappear within a few days. Then on the back, customer service and leaving a review. Shows you how to log into Amazon and leave your review if you like it. Before leaving a negative review, please contact us, and they'll try to make it right. Most companies definitely will try to do that. It's always good to reach out to them and try to, get your situation fixed before leaving a bad review. But sometimes bad reviews are inevitable, and sometimes the companies, talk about they'll reach out and stuff, but they really don't. So, that's that. So you get a wet, dry wipes with this. We'll start with the wet one. Pretty much typical to any screen protector installation, besides this little suction cup thing that they give you. So that's a little bit different. So this is your wet one. Take the glass, wet it up. Get the dry one. I live on a main road. In the last few days, my windows have been open and stuff, so it does get real dusty in here. So I'm definitely going to have to check for some dust. You probably want to power off the device because you don't want to keep touching it like I'm doing right now. So we'll probably power this off. Power off. There we go. Should have done that in the first place, but there you go. Now you can always bring in a microfiber towel too if you really want to make sure you get all that dust out. Make sure it's a lint-free microfiber towel. If any decent microfibers, it should be lint-free. So now you're going to get your screen protector and make sure you find out which side is the bottom because it peels off like that. Put the suction cup on in the middle. That's actually pretty cool. Check the the screen on your, so you're used to doing phones, screen on your watch. Make sure there's no dust, which I actually see some dust. I don't know if you guys can pick it up right there. Tiny little bit, but that will create a bubble. This is the toughest thing, is making the clean surface. You can also go into a bathroom and, let the water run, build up some humidity, and then you should be good. But we're not going to need to do all that. So you line it up just like that. Hard to show on the camera, but that looks pretty perfect. It's hard to get it perfect on camera. There we go. You can move it around a little bit with the suction cup, and then you're going to want to slide around. Make sure that the adhesive spreads out, and then you can try to pull the suction cup off, which that just pulled the whole screen protector off. So let's try that again. There we go. Looks like it's going on pretty good. Looks like I have a little gap on this side maybe. So I'll slide it over. And right there it looks almost perfect. Try to press this down. And try to get this screen protector off, suction cup off. Jesus. So this thing goes on pretty easily, but it doesn't come off the easiest. So now looks like it's lined up pretty good. Slide it over just a tiny bit. And now I'm going to take my microfiber towel, wipe it off, and give it one more look. Looks pretty good. There's a little tiny bubble right there. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. This is definitely going to give it some nice protection though, because I didn't want to be scratching this thing. I don't plan on using it at work or anything like that. It is a nice looking watch and I want to keep it looking nice. So I'll just be using it, you know, outside of work where I shouldn't damage it, but just in case, might as well have the screen protector on it. Looks like there's a little corner piece. There we go. The bubble's gone. So let's check the touch sensitivity. All right, all loaded up. There we go. It's still loading. Hold on, we got to give it a second. There we go. Let's see. Scroll through there. Seems like everything's loaded. Celtics lost today to the 76ers, but don't worry. I'm sure they'll bounce back. So let's check. Touch sensitivity seems fine. Go back home. Swipe down. Swipe up. Swipe across. Touch sensitivity is perfect. And the look of it is great. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it looks just as good as the regular screen. Doesn't look like too many fingerprints are going to pick up on it. So this should be pretty nice. For $6.99, you can't beat it. Added protection. It was a little bit of a challenge with the suction cup, but if I had to do it again, you have 3 of them, I don't think it'd be an issue at all. And it moves around pretty easily to make sure it adheres. So there's no issue there. For $6.99, you can't beat it. The watch is, you know, almost $250 to $300, depending on where you get it or when you bought it, if you had bought it when it first came out. So you're definitely going to want to add some protection to it. If you're somebody like me that's, you know, super crazy about keeping everything nice, then throw it on. $6.99, can't go wrong. I'll leave the link down in the description. Like I said, with Amazon, if you guys don't have Prime, because this is Prime eligible, I'll leave a link down in the description that will give you a 30-day free trial. Try it out. Amazon Prime is great. It's going up pretty shortly to $129, but it's still worth it at that price, I think. So check it out if you guys don't have it. Either way, you can pick this up on Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description. This is the brand Kevlar. Comes in this little gold thing, 3-pack. Can't beat it. Put some protection on your Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 Frontier. And I'm sure they make them for the Classic also, so check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We're almost on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And at 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway to celebrate all of the people on the channel. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll catch you later. Peace.